Ellarigu namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Real Things and surprise! So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, then you would have seen this. So yes, we have got our very first home in Canada. But before showing you the home tour, currently I am actually in our own home. But before doing that, I do want to take you guys all along a quick journey from the day we actually went to a temple, prayed and started with our house hunting journey till the day when we actually came here and did a small puja and made this place our home. So I have shot little clips here and there during the entire process, and I'm gonna get them all together and show it to you guys, and I really hope you guys will like the video. Ellarigu namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Little Things. So it's Saturday morning, 11th September. I don't know when this video will come out, but today, for the very first time ever since we came to Canada, we are going to a temple. I don't know why it took us so long, but we are finally gonna do it today. So I thought I'll film it and show it to you guys. So we have basically come to Swaminarayana temple. It's in Scarborough. So I'll get to see my Krishna after a long time. We actually checked Google. I checked Google and it showed that it will be open starting 7. But due to COVID, we are here by 8:30 and they said it's gonna open at 9. So their timings is like 9 to 11. And in another 30 minutes, we'll have our darshan and we'll go back. So hopefully it'll be a good one. Namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Little Things. It is quite sunny today, but don't be fooled by the sun. The temperature is in the minus. You can see that. Yeah. So, a very, very important day in our life. It's 23rd November 2021. And if everything goes well, today is the day when we will be, having a place called our own home. So really excited for it. We haven't still signed the papers, nor have we collected the keys. It's all gonna happen today. So just pray that everything goes fine. But I guess by the time you guys see this video, we would already be in that home, hopefully. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. Right now we are going to bank to get a bank draft towards our down payment that we got a deposit in our lawyer's account. So the bank is gonna open around 9:30 and it's 9:30 now, so let's see. I just want everything to go fine today. No more roadblocks or hiccups. We have seen a lot in the past couple of days, so hopefully today is gonna be better. So let's see. Okay, quick update. We are done with our work within like 1 hour. That's amazing. So first we went to Rajesh Bank. We got the draft. They charged us around $8 and it was pretty quick. Within 10 minutes they gave us our draft. However, if you are getting a draft through an online bank, then that's another process. So I'll provide you all the details about what happened in a separate video, but just know that if it's an online bank, it's a bit more fussy to get it done, your bank draft. But since this was his branch office, so that was fine. So we got it from his bank, and then thankfully where the bank where we had to deposit was TD. We were not sure whether it's nearby or not, but there was a ATM that we had seen, so we just wanted to come and check to make sure that there's a bank or not. So they had a branch here, so we came and deposited. So we left home at 9:30. By 10:30 we were done with all our bank work. 2 bank works, that was amazing. So yeah, now we are going back home. We have to take, scan all the copies and send it to our lawyer and also sign our papers. And we just got a call from our realtor that our mortgage has been approved and the funds have been transferred. So even that has happened. Oh, there's a fire engine. So let's see. I'll go home and I'll talk to you guys again, okay? So change of plans. We couldn't wait till going back to home, and we saw metro here. We had to shop something. So we thought, why not do the signatures? So we are standing in a shopping plaza and signing papers for our home. So he is doing his. I've already done mine. After this, we can go and shop for some stuff that we would require. So today evening we are actually going to home and gonna do what we call as palkach in Malayalam, which is housewarming kind of thing. So let's see. Done? Insert everywhere. So since our lawyer is in Mississauga, we are signing it through online. It's kind of good. I think saves a lot of time and is very convenient. And we're done. Yeah, we got to just send the draft scan copies. We'll send those as well now. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. We'll send over the copies, do our shopping, and hopefully we'll talk to you again in the evening. I'm so sorry for the disturbance.
1988 today.
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ?
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ.
सर्ववदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये दीपं ज्योतिपरब्रह्मं दीपं ज्योतिजनार्दनः दीपो हरति पापने सन्धिदीपं नमोऽस्तुते लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरमयामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितरूपैकदीपं कुरु त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सहसीजं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियम् पूजाय राघवेन्द्राय सिद्धिधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमितां कामधेनवे
ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
we don't have so it's fine निर्योगे प्रमाणं which one is what this is behind. Next is waiting it release.
ಸಕ್ಸಸ್.
So I really hope you guys did like watching this video of our journey of finding our very first home in Canada, which we can call home now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. So in our next video, you're going to see the empty home tour. But for now, I guess that's it for the day, guys. And I hope to see you all soon in my next video. I wish for all of us to be blessed with abundant love, peace and happiness. Take care and do remember, life's all about the little things.